Oi, Willy Wonka, I bet you're a flat earther, aren't you? Apparently people are losing their minds, or they're incredibly stupid. Probably a little bit of both, while stuck at home during this lockdown phase of this COVID-19 pandemic. Because in Birmingham and in Merseyside, and I think one other place in the UK, they've burnt down mobile 5G cell phone towers because they've done extensive research on Facebook or Twitter, because those are ultimate places of truth, aren't they? If you've read it there, then it must be true. So they think they have read that mobile phone, 5G mobile cell phone towers cause coronavirus. Their radiation infect you with COVID-19. Now, I love a good conspiracy theory just as much as the next guy, but this is really stupid. I don't know how someone can read a post and go, yeah, that makes sense, let's go burn down a tower. It's really, really stupid. Be honest, Willy Wonka, was this you? So I've been reading a lot of posts about this, and the reason why 5G is the cause of coronavirus or COVID-19, and some of these posts say this, is because where the outbreak happened in Wuhan a couple of months before, some mobile 5G cell phone towers were installed, and boom, makes sense, there's the link, everyone's infected. Other posts are saying that telecommunication companies and governments and an evil villain. I do like the fact that there could be an evil villain, but it just sounds stupid. I don't know how people can read this stuff. Nevertheless, people are saying that these entities are taking this opportunity that people are indoors, and the fact that they can knock up 5G masts and infect us all, sort of a population control. But again, it doesn't make any sense. First of all, what's going on? These companies, these entities, and including this evil villain, are just maintaining the existing cellular mobile infrastructure. They're carrying on with their roadmap for 5G rollout. And plus, it's already been certified, all telecommunications mobile masts emit a sort of radiation, but it's non-ionizing, so it can't penetrate skin. It's certified. Do your research. Facebook and Twitter doesn't count as research. I even saw this one video, this lady going up to, I think it was a BT engineer, I'm not quite sure which company he worked for, but he was laying fibre in the ground, and she actually accused him of killing children. I can't believe she put the video out online, and she didn't seem like she had any sort of formal qualifications or something materialistic she could back up that she was accusing this guy of laying fibre optic cable and that it was killing her children. It's just stupid. Lots of reasons why this conspiracy theory doesn't make any sense. For example, here in the UK, only cities have 5G. So when you're outside of a city, I'm outside of a city, there's no 5G. So how are people around me, where I live, where I work, people around me got coronavirus? How does that work? Have they travelled to a city, got infected, and oh no, they've got it? How does that work exactly? Please let me know in the comment section down below. When you look at South Korea, they've got the lowest number of coronavirus infections, but I believe they had the first 5G network. So how does that work? Shouldn't they have more infections if they had 5G before everybody else? Doesn't make any sense. Look at Israel, for example. 5G is actually banned there. They don't have it at all, but they got just over 7,500 infections. How does that work? Did they suddenly go to another country where 5G is, contract it, and then go back home? How does it work? Doesn't make any sense. It's stupid. Think about it. But my absolute favourite conspiracy theory is the fact that the British government is rolling out 5G cell phone masts to control the population. So control their people. It's absolutely stupid. And there's a trinket. They've actually left breadcrumbs. So if you look hard enough, you know that they're doing it on the £20 note. So the new £20 note has what looks to be, people are saying it looks like a cell phone tower. No, it doesn't look like a cell phone tower, but I'm going to show you. It looks like a cell phone tower, and it looks, there's also another symbol which looks like the coronavirus. Okay, no, it doesn't look like the coronavirus symbol, and no, it doesn't look like a 5G mobile cell phone tower. If you look at the note, when you look at the note, you will know it's Margate Lighthouse. Okay, it's an legitimate, completely forgot my lines, but I had to double check. The tower on the £20 note is actually Margate Lighthouse. It's not a cell phone tower. It's a legitimate landmark in the UK that was built in 1828. Before all of this happened, unless some conspiracy theories are going to say this was planned from way back then. But it's just stupid. Either way, that landmark is on the £20 note. It's not a cell phone tower. It's a lighthouse built in 1828. And the coronavirus symbol that people are saying is on the £20 note is not the coronavirus symbol. It's the Tate Britain art gallery. That's what it is. It's not a coronavirus symbol secretly put in by the government for breadcrumbs for people to find. Stop being stupid. The £20 note has got nothing to do with 5G mobile cell phone towers, and it's got nothing to do with coronavirus. Stop being stupid. And if this is you, Willy Wonka, I'm going to find you. I do love a good conspiracy theory, but this one's just really, really, really stupid. And what you got to understand is people that are sharing these posts are, you may be doing it as a joke, or maybe you're not. Maybe you are that stupid. But think about it. If you are sharing it as a joke, what you got to understand is someone somewhere will read it and take it as gospel because they're stupid. You got to stop using Facebook and Twitter as a means of ultimate truth. Do your own research. Don't rely on stuff that you read on Facebook and Twitter. It's not an encyclopedia. Here's another thing. So these people burning down 5G cell phone towers because they are killing humans and their children. When you think about it, alcohol and tobacco also kill humans. So why aren't these same people burning down breweries and tobacco factories?